Whenever you need to record your screen or any other devices on Mac, you can use QuickTime. To use your QuickTime, go ahead and open up QuickTime. Now you're not going to see an actual menu or splash screen with like other programs have. It's in the taskbar itself. What you do is click on File, and then you have the three main components of QuickTime. You have a new movie recording, you can record audio only, or you can do a screen recording. Now, screen recording is basically whatever is on your screen itself. And new audio is just any kind of audio recording that you need to make. Or a new movie recording, when you click that, you can actually have either... Damn, I totally forgot about the webcam. Into new movie recording, go ahead and click down the drop-down arrow here, and you can select between either... pause. And... oh, come on. When you click onto QuickTime, and when you click into new movie recording, the default device will pop up. If you need to switch between devices, click on the drop arrow next to the record button. Currently it's selected onto iPad. What this is basically when you hook in your iPad or iPhone, you can control whatever is being shown on the actual iPad or iPhone itself. So we're going to go ahead and now this is the actual iPad itself. If you ever need to do any kind of explanation or tutorials or going over with your class within a video for your iPad, you can go ahead and click on record, and now you're recording whatever you're doing within your iPad. And of course you can touch on the touchscreen for the iPad. And once you hit record, you can start recording your iPad screen or iPhone screen. Go through any section you want. If need be, you can hook up a microphone and still do recording, voiceover recording on your iPhone or iPad. Once you're finished with that, you click on stop. Now here is the actual video itself, if you want to go ahead and save that into the area you would like to save. Actually, or you can export it as a certain type of file. You can put it to your iTunes, into an iPad, iPhone, or iTouch. You can also do the audio only. We're going to go ahead and click on just the 1080p, put it onto the desktop, and give it a quick title. And what it's going to do is going to export that to the main, to your desktop or wherever you like to save it to. It's going to take about 4 minutes, but through the magic of editing, we're going to speed that up. And now here's where your video will appear. Then you go ahead and move that into any of your editing programs that you like, or double click on it. It'll open it up inside of the actual QuickTime player itself, and highlight Edit, click on Trim or Command T, and now you can go ahead and clip out sections of the beginning of your video, and if you like to trim a little bit off the ending of your video to make sure that you only get certain sections, click on Trim. That trims it down to the size of the video that you want. Then you have to export that. It would be a lot faster when you're exporting that, so should not have to worry too much about it, but I'm just going to go ahead and give it a quick title there. Click on Save, and it is already saved. Boom. There's your video. Now, going back to the QuickTime player, take a quick look at recording audio, and what that'll do is it'll pop up. Obviously, right next to the record button, you click on the drop down arrow. It'll give you the options of where you want to record from. And when you're clicking on the screen recorder itself, you click on the screen recorder, click on the drop arrow, ask you if you want to use a microphone, if you want to show the mouse clicks in the recording. And we're going to go ahead and click on the screen itself to full screen record, or you can click and drag. So if you want to only record certain sections of the video, then you click on the start recording. It will record in that section only. And to end the recording, up here, you click on that little button and it will stop recording. That's when you can go ahead and export it to your liking. Give it a quick name. It'll go ahead and export that to your desktop or place of save of choice. And that is basically how to use QuickTime 10 on the Mac. For more videos like this, go to links.asu.edu/workshops.